In this video, I want to show you how to make a scatter plot using R Commander. So a scatter plot is a type of bivariate display that we can use whenever we have two variables that we want to represent as continuous variables. And it does not necessarily have to be the case that the variables that you use are continuous in the sense that we have defined thus far. But this is something that you'll learn as you work with scatter plots more and more. And so right now we'll just define it as a type of data display we'll use whenever we want to examine the relationship between two continuous variables. So to make a scatter plot in R Commander, we go to Graphs and Scatterplot, which is really simple. And all we have to do is pick our X variable, and that one's going to go on the horizontal axis, and our Y variable, which is the variable that will go on the vertical axis. So we'll do age on this one and bush thermometer on the Y. And so there are tons of options that we can actually select from this. If we want to use a least squares line, this is just going to show the best guess at a relationship using least squares regression. Then we can click that. But right now, we don't have to worry about anything other than plotting the points right now. And so we don't need anything. Just as before, we can subset based on stuff inside here. One nice feature about using the scatterplot blocks in R Commander is that we can go ahead and change the labels for each axis. So it'll label it age and bush th for the auto, but if we want to change those, we can just change it there. So all we have to do is click OK, and it's going to come up there. And so this is what a scatter plot looks like. And given that age is always a whole number, so it's one of the it's infinitely discrete. We can't have anything in between. It looks pretty granular, meaning that it's not continuous and things are in a line. However, I mean it serves the purpose by plotting, bush ratings and age on the same plot. So that's actually really simple to do in R Commander, and hopefully this will help you in your projects, where I am very sure you will be doing a scatter plot of some sort.